Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to join your PlayStation party chat in your car using Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. Now, just about every car nowadays, you can connect your phone via Bluetooth so you can sync up with your favorite apps. Now, you can even sync up with the PlayStation app on your phone. Now, your vehicle will be a little bit different connecting and putting your vehicle into the sync mode for Bluetooth. For me, I believe all I had to do was hold down like the phone button right here or the hang up button, or there may be a specific Bluetooth button somewhere around your steering wheel or console that will put your vehicle into the sync mode. Then on your phone, all you have to do is swipe down from the top and then find Bluetooth, so it looks like this. Then hold down on the Bluetooth. Once you have Bluetooth open up, scroll on down to the bottom and you should see available devices, and your car should show up under there. So you can see my vehicle is now connected for calls. Now, with my vehicle being connected to Bluetooth, I can only make calls and I can't hear all the audio unless I join the PlayStation app, and then I can hear all the audio. Like if I play a YouTube video, then I can hear it. Before, I would only hear like phone calls and stuff like that. And if I played a YouTube video, it would still come through the phone speaker. So now you have to get the PlayStation app on the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. So if I go to this, just type in PlayStation app right here at the top and get this and open it up and sign in with your PlayStation email address and the password. Then what you can do is swipe down from the top, go to messages, and then join one of these message groups. So let's join the A-Team on my phone here, and then go to the little headset symbol and tap that, and it will join that party. So I can go to start voice chat now, and boom, now I'm going to be in that voice chat channel. And you can see I'm connected with my car. There's a little phone symbol, and you should see your phone number display right here. On mine, it is at least. Then on the phone, you can see my little speaker icon is lighting up every time I talk. And I have the option to mute right here. There's a speaker button where I can end the call, or I can press it to join the call again real quick. And then I can mute it or leave the voice chat right here. So now I can go ahead and drive places and talk to my party chat on my PlayStation at the same time. And like I said, when I do this, I can go to like YouTube now and I can play a video. So let's go to YourSixStudios and skip that ad.
This is Tim from YourSixStudios.
And now whatever is
I'm going to go ahead and
playing on my phone will come over my speakers on my car. So it's very cool to do this. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.